How to find remote jobs on LinkedIn so you can land the right opportunity without wasting time scrolling through irrelevant listings. First, open LinkedIn on your computer or phone and sign into your account. Tap the Jobs tab at the top of the screen, or at the bottom if you're on a phone. In the search bar, type the job title or field you're looking for, like graphic designer or data analyst. Then hit enter. Now, at the top of your screen, under the search bar, find the option called Remote and tap on that. From there, filter by date posted to see the freshest listings first, and by experience level to match jobs to where you're at in your career. When you spot a job you like, tap on it to read the full details. If there's an Apply or Easy Apply button, you can apply directly through LinkedIn in just a few taps. No need to leave the app. And if you want LinkedIn to do the work for you, then toggle on Get Jobs Alert for this search, so you get notified whenever a new matching remote job gets posted. And that's it. With the right filters in place, finding remote jobs on LinkedIn becomes a lot faster and a lot less overwhelming.